Come travel with me, guys. I just woke up and let's have a beautiful and wonderful vlog going to Curitiba.
Into the cockpit. Can you believe it? It's such a great thing. I didn't imagine. So guys, I decided to have pão de queijo and coxinha. Okay, watermelon. Ai, meu Deus, eu vou perder meu voo.
It is so early. Right now it's 2 a.m. Gosh, I went to bed at midnight, so I had not even 2 hours sleep. That's fine. I'm excited. Not tired.
Tem muito tempo que eu não passo aqui, então essa pista aqui era uma pista que você podia aproveitar para poder andar bem nela.
I've arrived to the parking lot, guys, but this is a different parking lot. It's not the airport parking, but they take us to there and they pick us up from there. Got it? So they take us to the airport and they pick us up from the airport. Let's go. How much I missed being at the airport, guys. Oh gosh, let's keep going.
É isso aí, galera. Mais um dia, mais uma viagem para nossa checklist. Podia colocar no gimbal só para estabilizar.
Eu não trouxe gimbal, não.
Descobrimos o que é que está faltando.
Não.
Ainda falamos, tripé, suporte.
Eu ainda trouxe meu tripézinho.
Dá um tchau pro gimbal.
Vai, gimbal.
So guys, we've arrived at the airport. I'm so excited. That's my very first trip, like business trip. It sounds amazing and it is great. I'm excited. Let me just get my mic in a minute.
And now we're heading to the boarding gate and we are gonna look for the lounge. So if you don't know what is lounge, the lounge. And because of our card, we have this access to the lounge, you know? It's amazing. And yes, of course, it was all prepared. Let's go. This is my mom. All right, guys, so I hope you can hear me. I am getting there. I'm almost there. The lounge. Amazing. I'm excited. I want to eat. I'm hungry. All right, guys, we just got to the lounge and I'm really hungry. And as I don't think if you know, but there's food here. So I'm gonna go there, eat something, and of course, I'm gonna show you what we have in here to eat for breakfast because it's currently 5 a.m. Let's go. Okay, watermelon, pineapple, ham, cheese. What's this? Yeah, I don't know. Guys, what's that? Chipa.
Chipa?
Chipa. So guys, I decided to have pão de queijo and coxinha. As you know, I'm not gonna translate pão de queijo, neither coxinha. Because we're speaking English, but we're still Brazilian, so let's have it. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, I gotta say, the food is incredibly amazing. I didn't think it was gonna be so good. The pão de queijo, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have at least 2 more because I loved it. And the coxinha, take a look. Yummy, yummy coxinhas, yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm speaking like that because there's no people in the room, of course. But I hope the audio is good. Because I don't want to bother anyone. Never, ever. Meu Deus, eu vou perder meu voo. Já é 7h20. Tô confusa. Tá escrito que é 7h50. Por que a gente tá correndo? Gente, última chamada. Será que é outro voo? Meu Deus, eu não vou correr o risco que eu tô chegando, gente. Eu tava no Gate 1. Gate. Eu tava no portão 1. É no 21. Já tô no 17, tá? Menos de 10 minutos, pode ter certeza. Uns 5 minutos. Okay, guys. We've made it. We definitely made it, okay? We're here. My legs are hurting so much, but here we go. It's only the two of us. Yeah. Let's go. Guys, I just got here to Curitiba.
Pode ir lá, tá, querida?
We're gonna go there. Com licença. Tá joia? Olha, deixa eu mostrar. Obrigada. Eu vi no vídeo na internet falando que podia, eu não acreditava. Eu tô gravando um vlog. Olha, você vai me dando asa assim? Tô gravando um vlog em inglês, então eu vou só... eu só vou... Guys... Oh, pera. Pode mostrar pra você ou você não quer? Você que sabe. Guys, I got to go into the cockpit. Can you believe it? It's such a great thing. I couldn't imagine I could get into it. I saw a video on TikTok once. A girl got into here and she showed it and she said, well, if you want to, you can just ask the pilot. And I did. And he is the pilot. Dá um oi pro vídeo.
Hello guys.
Of course he speaks English, né?
Very
So-
good English was.
Oh, thank you. Introduce yourself for us, please.
I'm a pilot
Oh,
since-
wait a minute. Peraí. Segura. Repete.
I'm a pilot since 2024. Now I'm 32 and I'm at Azul Airlines since 2023.
Really?
Yeah.
That's really good. Your profession is amazing. And thank you for bringing us
for me also.
safety.
Pleasure to meet you.
Thank you. Hi, mommy. Ele deixou.
E aí, tudo bom?
Só tira minha foto aqui que a gente vai sair. Deixa ele descansar. Eu aprendi inglês sozinha.
Sozinha?
Inclusive, eu sou faladeira, né? Inclusive, eu tô aqui por causa disso. Eu vim uma viagem a trabalho. É por isso que eu tô fazendo vlog em inglês, tá?
Caraca, boa nova.
Obrigada. Agora eu achei.
E como que aprendeu?
Ah,
Vendo filme,
filme,
sua mãe
vídeo.
começa inglês.
Não, minha mãe ela não fala inglês, não. É só eu mesmo em casa. Típico, sabe aquele típico sonho adolescente? Ah, eu quero muito ir para os Estados Unidos.
Já
fazer. Não, nunca
Nossa,
Nunca fui. Até eu quero fazer o ensino médio fora, eu quero estudar, então acabava, eu era mais jovem, tipo, mais nova, né? Eu tinha 13 anos, então era na época de pandemia, eu tinha muito tempo livre, muito tempo livre. Então, assim, comia inglês, almoçava em inglês, jantava em inglês.
sem legenda.
Séries,
100%,
vídeo,
100%.
foi muito tempo assim, mas hoje tem as recompensas,
Legal,
né?
porra. Parabéns.
Obrigada.
Qualidade isso aí, né?
Pô, gente, eu nunca tinha visto aqui dentro, sério, achei muito legal. So guys, we arrived in Curitiba. I'm so happy, so excited. And again, I really hope the audio isn't bad. I'm so excited. I really want to show you everything in the next video, of course. And don't forget to let a like, subscribe my channel, let a comment for me. And right now, I'm heading to the hotel. So we're going to get dressed, to get ready, and go to the company with everybody. So I think you're gonna like it, and I see you in the next video. Bye! We just got to Curitiba, and now we're heading to the hotel to get ready, get dressed, and go to the company to meet everybody. I'm so excited, and I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next video.
Não reserva? Letícia e Lídia.
Letícia.
Okay, guys, we just got ready. I'm so excited and I'm pretty. Oh gosh, dear God. Wait, let me take a pic. And I just got to the hotel. We're going to the room. We're going to our room. So just so we can let our stuff in there, and we're going straight to the company. Because guys, I'm so hungry. Oh my gosh. Let's go, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. I think I've already said that 100 times. Well, okay. Didn't work out. That's fine. Ooh. Here we go. Well, guys, what's that? Is that a mimo? Mimozinho? Because I loved it. Yeah, guys, I'm going right now. Take a look at the outfit. I'll see you later, or actually, I'll see you soon. Let's go. Well, I thought it was a present. It was a gift. Mom told me it wasn't, but I had it anyways. Let's go. So, Mom, how are you feeling? Are you excited or not? Animado no? Yes. Let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Kisses, Sam.
Bye.